How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Bitcoin update. We'll start off on the 4 hour time frame today because the daily has a big wick rejection. As we can see on the 4 hour, we had a big pump yesterday off of that key level of support that I've been talking about on the channel. Again, this dump off, although very nasty, sort of daily candle as well as the 4 hour candle setup. We have a big pump during that morning. Woke up very nice. I was like, yes, we're pumping. We're at a new high for the year as well over here. And then I was like, I'm gonna wash my car and just do some chores for the house. Come back later after doing all of that, and we dumped back down to the lows. There were a lot of people in the Discord community suggesting that this could just be, liquidity grab on either side. So for that reason, I did set a long up in and around over here. I did take a long position. Of course, it shot straight up into profit yesterday after consolidating throughout the whole weekend, going to profit, going to minus, going to profit. Personally, I don't mind what happens. I put my stop loss on the invalidation of this all going up. Yes, it's a long position. It's not the end of the world if it doesn't go right. It's still sitting in profit at the moment. We're almost at take profit up here, but we got rejected at our previous resistance. We can see to the left that this over here is a key area of resistance going through these two wicks. I guess you have to drag it down a little bit more to get some exact touches. But yeah, this would be the resistance of the range. We can see there are fake outs to the upside, so you can draw another resistance just like this, maybe, yeah, just like that. So we got this lower purple box, and essentially we've got this higher purple box between $31,000 and $31,250. So essentially we're still ranging. We're waiting for a breakout on either side. When we first broke out over here and started to accumulate for a while, there were hints that this could be a BART pattern, but just that it's setting up like one. So keep that in the back of our minds. A BART pattern would suggest price coming back down as you're coming up, you're rounding off. Looks like BART's hair or head or whatever it is, and then you come back down. But again, as I've explained on the channel, we've got this key area of support between 28.8, sorry, and 30k. Within that, got a sub layer of support between 29.6 and 30,000. Every time we come into it, this is support. Every time we come into this is resistance. So we could have been trading the range is what I'm trying to get at. And so essentially what's happened over here, it looked like a scam pump. That's what a lot of people in the chat were saying. What is this scam? How is it pumping and then dumping like that? To be honest, guys, as we approach this resistance, it actually kind of makes sense. Yes, it's such an aggressive dump off of this area over here, but it actually makes sense. Why? Because the last build-up of bodies was at this resistance that we're struggling to break through. Well, this is what's kept on sending me into profit, into minus, into profit, into minus. And so it's just kept on playing around. But as we were at the lower end of support, it would make sense that eventually we do break up, because without price pushing through and just hovering around, the expectation is it's had its opportunity to go down. Just like every time we come up to here, it's been hovering around there. It's just had the opportunities to break through, and it just doesn't want to do that. So that's what's been leading to these constant bounces within this range. So that kind of makes sense that it came back down to this area, to this previous resistance, now support, as we have formed these bullish crosses on the 4 hour time frame. So going forward, as you can see here, this high is lower than this. So we need to stop a potential downtrend from happening, which would be taking out this low. Can you see over here how this was our lowest point? And then we created this higher low. So we bounced from here and then we accumulated over here. So we've got a higher low over here. I want to see this being maintained. So I'm going to give you this wick over here. No, forget it. Let's just say 30,000 psychological level. We can't now lose this 30,000 psychological level if we want to continue this pump towards the higher end. You can see over here that we ran into this resistance exactly with the body candle closes over here. I guess you could say double top if you want, but again, I guess this would be your neckline. So one top neckline, second top, yeah, it's quite ugly to be honest, but yeah, that's essentially would be it. Also a double bottom that's broken out and already met the target. So just continuing to range. The moving averages are technically acting as our like a midpoint of the range. What I can also do is go from this high to this low. Yeah, we ran into the golden pocket, went a little bit higher, and now getting rejected. So in fact, the reversal wave has not been created. We measured this dump off found where it retraced to, looking for this continuation lower. This is what the Fibonacci's would suggest, but we can of course invalidate that. All we now need to do is hold this key area as support, as this is the most recent golden pocket, as we can see over here. So going forward, I want to see again $30,000 holding a support for another push into this resistance, looking for a break to the upside to go ahead and invalidate that BART pattern that does send us back down for a deeper correction. We can go now to the daily time frame, look at that nasty wick, but the main reason is to find where those moving averages are now sitting, and look where the 20 moving average is sitting on the daily time frame, pretty much on 30,000 on that wick right there, which on the 4-hour time frame would be this wick, and that's exactly what we do not want to lose. And again, guys, if we do pump to the 20, we should bounce. That's what we've seen last time. So is this just a bounce off of here to reclaim these key levels of the EMAs to head back up? We've actually already done that, got that wick rejection. So let's now see if we can continue to hold this key level of support, because in actual fact, guys, the wicks are suggesting for a rollover, but the 4-hour time frame is still suggesting, okay, we have flipped these EMAs into support. This is just a retest of key resistance, now support, looking to trend higher. You can invalidate that if you push through this right now and lose this wick. I'm using 30,000, but if you want an exact level, this would be $29,964. If we see a 4-hour candle closure beneath this, it looks like we want to continue lower. But as the 200 EMA is here, I would actually believe that this lower band of this support over here, 29.6 to 29.5, will hold a support. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and share these videos. Turn the notification bells on so you're aware of when these come out. And if you want to message me on my Twitter, links in the description, to message me about my course, mentorship, and chat, please do so. Cheers. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat, where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You'll gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.